Here's my inclinometer and altimeter. It's got a OLED screen, so it's super bright and contrasty. There's the incline setting, so it changes the pitch and the roll there. And when I'm on here, I can reset it. So if I get it mounted and it's not quite the same as it was when I put it together, then I can zero it out there. And you can navigate through the menu here with this little switch. So it kind of rocks up and down like that to select the menu, and you click it to select. So there's incline, there's the altimeter, and I can set it to feet and meters. I can have a multi-view here, so you get the incline and altimeter on one screen. The sensor has a temperature gauge built in. It's not super accurate because the sensor itself sort of heats up when power is applied. It's definitely not 86 degrees in here, but it was available, so I thought I'd just add it in there. Maybe eventually I can hook it up to the stock temperature gauge and get a real accurate reading. You can track altitude, so if you want to start a trail and see how high you totally went, or how low in a valley, you can reset that to 0. Start from there. You can see min-max, so it'll show you the lowest point and the highest point you reached. Calibrate the altimeter, so if you know GPS, you know your actual altitude. Let's say it's 1040. The pressure sensor is a barometer, so it just measures atmospheric pressure, which changes with the weather. So you can kind of reset that to a known GPS altitude, a little more accurate. There is, you can calibrate the inclinometer itself. Set the refresh rate, so how fast the screen redraws. So you can go down here to 50. Let me go back. Oops. Go to say 50. It'll draw real fast. So if I go to incline, it updates super fast. But depending on how bumpy a trail is, that can be real annoying if the numbers are flashing by that fast. So the idea was to be able to go in here and set it to a more little reasonable number that doesn't quite draw as fast. And then you can just factory reset it, and resets all the calibration settings, starts over from scratch. So the sensor itself is there. It's attached to a little circuit board backpack that has this little programmable chip, and it's removable, so I can upgrade it over time if I get new features, figure out new stuff. There's a little sensor board, has all the different sensors on it, and a little multicolor wire there goes to my switch. It's hooked up to battery right now, but in reality it's wired into the 12 volt in the truck. That's it.